Here I have SONY Xperia Z1 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on this device by using the SONY Xperia secret code. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen right here. Let's simply find and select the phone's dialer and let's input the following secret code: *# 7378 423 #*. As you can see, the service menu just pops up. From the following menu you have to choose the customization settings and select reset customization. So if you would like to accomplish the hard reset operation, so if you would like to erase all personal data, customize settings and downloaded apps, let's choose reset customization and reboot. Right now the device is performing the hard reset operation, so let's just be patient and wait until the whole operation will be completed successfully. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that hard reset operation is done. Now you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.